There's no doubt that an HVAC cooling or heating system makes life so much more comfortable, especially with the extreme temperatures of Australia's climate. On the hottest days of summer and the coldest days of winter, HVAC systems are our source of comfort. After a great deal of work over the years, wear and tear begins to catch up with your HVAC system. At this point, you must decide whether to repair or replace it. Depending on the age of your unit and its history, you can opt to repair it. But if your HVAC unit is 10 plus years old, conducted 3 minor repairs in the last 10 years, or 2 major repairs, and if the total cost of these repairs is over 50% of a new replacement, it's clear you don't need us to tell you. It's time to replace it. Other points of your existing system to consider are efficiency, running costs, noise levels, and installation quality. Even though installing a new system can be a high upfront cost, you will be saving yourself money in the long run by avoiding new equipment inflation and saving on increased energy efficiency. Whatever your decision is, our team at Alliance Climate Control will help you stay comfortable through all seasons. Visit our website today